Hey everyone, it's Tiffany. Wanted to show you this tactical style backpack for carrying in your barbecue or campfire supplies. If you're gonna be on the trails this season, you're gonna want one of these versus having to haul in a huge bin of things for your campsite. And what's really great is you have two compartments. You have this larger compartment that will open. You'll have a smaller one in the front with a bunch of little connection points for different things. You can even attach it here. And then on the sides, you have pockets. We have our aluminum foil in this, but you can also put utensils for cooking on the sides. We also have our solo stove utensils for s'mores in this. And because of the height, I was able to fit it in here. But again, you have little pockets for other like grilling utensils and such. And then your carry arm straps can be adjusted. It also has nice breathable material on the back side so you don't get so hot. Same thing with the underside, some breathable material for you there, as well as the carry handle. So we'll open up the front big pocket first. And what I love about this design is you have some water resistant material throughout the inside of both the big and the small pocket, but you also have the ability to attach a roll of paper towels. You always need paper towels when camping. So you can connect it there. You can rip it off, keep it safe and dry in the back compartment. I have some materials for s'mores. I have some plates, and then I have some ketchup and mustard. You have two pockets on the sides of the interior of the bag to keep different seasonings. We got some pepper, got some salt. And there's really a lot of room inside. And like I said, a lot of the materials that you can fit are just like the necessities for walking into a campsite. Got a cutting board. And then you can see all the different cooking utensil tools that I have packed, which we always use. There's an ice cream scoop in case the kids want ice cream. We got a spatula. We got two sets of tongs in case we're doing like some meat and then we want to do like corn on the side or something. So we have two there. And then we have some mixing tools as well. So those are kind of our utensils that we use a lot of the time. But in the front pocket, I packed a couple of other utensils. So we got our can opener, and then we got a meat thermometer. You're gonna need that while camping. And then we got some koozies, some utensils that are wrapped, and then towels. I think that's maybe one of the most important things, like when we get messy when we're cooking. Sometimes that can be overlooked, but you also have the water resistant material on the inside there as well. And the zippers are really good quality. They're very durable and hefty, which is what I like. But you have so much room in this backpack to organize it however you need fit. We just styled this for camping because that's what we're gonna be doing a lot. But you guys can absolutely fit whatever you feel like is necessary. I think my favorite part is the paper towel holder. That's so great. But y'all check this backpack out. It would be great for your next camping trip, or if you go out to the park and barbecue a lot with friends, have a cookout. This would be a perfect picnic type of style backpack to take your stuff as well. So y'all check it out. Hopefully you like it as much as we have.